Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert multiple PDF files to image files all at once for free in Windows and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on my desktop screen I have two PDF files. So let me open it firstly. So you can see here. So let me open the other PDF file also. So there are tons of pages here. So how you can convert this PDF files into image files all at once for free. So for this, what you need to do is just open any web browser and just search for one application name as TTR PDF to JPG, and the first place you will see its official website. Just click on it and just click on this download. As I've already downloaded the software, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download this software, and after that once again open any web browser and in the Google search for one application name as Java. Now on the first list I will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can click on download Java. So I've already downloaded this software too, so I'm not going to do it again. So you firstly download both this software on your respective computer, and after that just run this Java setup software. Click on install. So finally we have installed the Java application successfully. So now you can close it. Now just extract this second file, which is written as TTR PDF to JPG. Just extract this zip file and just open the extracted folder. Now you will see here one file written TTR PDF to JPG 3. Now just double click on it. You can see the user interface of this software, right? So now just drag the PDF files that you want to convert. So I have added, and now on the right side you can see here output format. You can select different output formats, whether you want to convert it to the JPG image format, PNG, GIF, PMP, TIF, whichever you want. So I'll just keep it in JPG. You can select any other also, and here you can select the magnification, rotation angle, input pages. If you don't want all the pages to convert into images, then you can select the output folder. So let me select the output folder right now. I'll just select desktop, and once your all settings are done, now you can see here start convert. Just click on it. So you can see it's showing finish. Click on OK. Let us minimize this. Now you can see on my desktop screen I have converted all the PDF files into image files. So let me open it. So you can see here all the PDF files has been converted into image files. So let me show its properties also to make it confirm. So you can see here it's a image file. So by using this application named as TTR PDF to JPG, you can easily convert multiple PDF files to image files all at once for free in Windows and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.